and it's cold as shit outside, and there's still snow everywhere. It was warmer a lot earlier, but I let him sleep until 5:05-ish. But look at the deer! Look how cute they are. I just want to play with them. Aww, run Bambi! Run Bambi! I was hoping they would come over here and visit with us, but they don't want to come over here because we're scary people. Zappies. And my ears are cold and red. My hair's all messy. Bye, dear! Goodbye, you smell like poop. Holy crap, their crap smells bad. Yeah. I was expecting all of the snow to be gone off of these sidewalks. Apparently not. You know, well, whatever. Hi, Austin. Oh, crap. Almost fell. Ah, crap. I almost fell on my bum bum. Bye, dear. I like your butt. Not to be confused with bestiality, ladies and gents. I am not into that. I am into that. Yeah, so. Buttons on your underwear. What? I said so, buttons on your underwear. Oh my god, I have said that since I was little. Okay, let's go down the train tracks because the sidewalk ends like right over there. Train tracks. We're a teeny tiny little train. It's so cute.
Wanna walk back or?
Yeah, we could go around and go the other way, but we could follow the tracks so we're not walking through the snow. Look, I'm a train. Chugga 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 chugga. Oh crap! Almost fell.
I guess I'm a convict.
Wait, how are you a convict?
Because I'm walking on the track, you know. Old. Every convict would be working on the track.
Oh, I get it. That's funny.
Yeah.
It's so cold. Yeah, switch hands. Oh, interesting lighting. The sun's going down and it looks cool. Ah! And my glasses are fogging up. I can't see shit.
Oh, the sun is back there.
Any words to say to our audience?
It's fucking cold.